video. I am Sarah. We are joined by Charlotte,
Hey.
and apparently we're playing Airplane Story.
Oh, in that case, I gotta leave this round. Give me a second.
Yo. Okay.
Okay, now join me. There you
No,
are.
you
Okay,
join me.
join
No,
one with people.
peoples.
Not that, not that one, not that one, not that one.
This one.
Are there people in it?
No.
Just
There's
go
no
whatever's
one.
one. Just
There's
go whatever's
no
that
one
goes.
here.
A couple of people.
Okay, I'm in one.
Hey, I'll leave.
Dude.
Just follow this guy. This guy's an idiot.
Don't you dare go on that one. Okay, go on.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay. 3 people should be fine. Anyway.
Okay, well, never mind. They can't join us if they wanted to. Yo, me no likey this
G6.
G5.
G6. Hey, let's go! Come, you're down here. I'm in that seat. You're the one in front of me. If you're in G6.
Yo,
Yo, what's up?
what's up, dude?
What's up?
What's up, dude?
Yeah, I haven't played this one with you, have I?
No, but oh. Is this the one where everything goes red?
No, I
Four,
don't think
five,
so.
six, five.
No,
We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination in no time. I can't read.
we don't know where we're going, by the
Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay,
way.
I will. Hear me out. What if we go knock on the front cabin door and demand all of the fucking snack? Oh,
That won't work. Trust me, I've tried that.
I found skizzers.
You found what?
Skizzers. Let us in. Let us in.
As much as yeah, it's locked.
Look, skizzers.
Now, please find a seat. Okay, run.
Oh,
Run.
yeah, this is where the plane crashes, isn't it?
No, not really. Huh?
Dude.
I'm confused in chat.
Oh, yes, is this the one where the plane crashes?
Not yet. And that's turbulence, idiot.
No, there's like multiple games of this.
Thank you for your cooperation. Stay in your seat.
Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody.
Do you want to go watch them spawn?
Hello, everybody. We are the
No, they're
crew
back.
members.
Other way. I already have my sandwich.
Yo, I am the shopping cart.
Okay. You are? Oh, you are.
I
Can
am.
I have more sandwiches, please, lady? Yes, it's me this time. I'm not
You,
feeling very well.
you're not. To be honest, I don't trust
No.
these sandwiches. Oh no.
Okay, open all the things and find my suitcase.
Leave them open, bro.
It automatically shuts.
Okay, I'll search front, you search back.
I found yours. I've legit found yours and the other guys, and that's it. Fuck.
You found
I
it,
found it.
Charlotte.
Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God.
That's why I didn't eat my sandwich.
What is it?
Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you, we have reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
I'm trying to figure out what's happening in chat. Oh, I'm taking a nap. You love this music. The door is. Huh? Good night. So we nap during the day. Let's just relation.
It's a general question.
This is the puzzling right now. Oh yes, that's right.
Is this the one with the clown?
I don't know.
The hell do you mean, bro?
Look out the window over here. What is that on the red wing? Where the fuck is the wing?
I found it, yo.
Yeah, it's that guy. Yo! You will not survive. What did I do? Gosh. Get in the bathroom. Get in the bathroom. Get up high! Because it clearly doesn't want to let us in the bathroom, so get up on a chair. Okay. Okay, go.
What if the snooks come out of the toilet, though?
Good.
Bro, I mean, it's open.
What?
No, there's no but!
What?
It's a yes or no question!
What?
Look, it's fire.
You okay? Pat, head pat. Damn, what's short?
That was
Yes,
scary.
it was, Sarah.
We should
Yes,
discuss what the heck is happening.
Okay.
What if this guy has autism and is speaking in metaphors? Like that one episode of The Good Doctor.
You murdered my brain. Can we leave? No, we cannot. Bravo.
Dude, he locked us in. I still have my sandwich.
Blah, blah, yada, yada. Okay, to our seats. Let's back up.
Good job.
5 or 6.
Blah, blah, yada, yada.
Okay, good.
And the snakes are gone.
Thank
God.
Why do I want to freaking ask how old he is? He sent me a friend request.
The creature is
Should I accept his friend request?
No. You shouldn't.
I ignored it. And bad. What is the bad news, you idiot?
Yo, I just want to hear the. Always pick bad news first. Yeah, we noticed.
Yeah, we realized.
So we noticed.
Figured.
The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. No, I refuse.
Shit. Come on, quickly.
Shuckies. I have a masker rasker.
Make sure. Oh, he doesn't have one. He doesn't have one.
Oh. Oh, hi.
Where was the other one? I didn't see another one. I kind of just stole his.
Charlotte.
What? There wasn't one over my seat. Now look how ugly we look with the mask.
No, me no like
Why
it.
not this again?
Charlotte, I'm recording.
The. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I thought it. Oh my god. There's
Nope.
a bomb stuck around my neck.
Nope. Girl, stay
Oh,
away.
Spy Family! Spy Family reference. Let's go. What are we gonna
Yo,
do?
I found scissors. I found skizzers. Does that help?
Okay, everyone probably. Calm down. Where are you?
That's fine.
No!
If we find something sharp enough to cut the cables, we might be able to save Ravenclaw. Gal, back
Just
away
say
from
no.
me, girl.
Cut the thing.
Which cable should I cut?
Right there.
Blue.
Good. If I die, I'm blaming you.
You're
Yes.
welcome! The red
Thank
cable is
you.
always the bad cable!
Not last time I played. To our seats.
Snore, snore, snore all the way home. Oh, it's the kitchen whiskers. You haven't had those.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Okay, let's go to the back.
Yeah, you go the other way. I'll go this way, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the other end.
I can't find him.
It should be back here. What do you? You are blind. Stay there. I'm
They're
gonna go call
unconscious.
somebody. Wait. Come here.
Get to the captain's room.
8037.
Broski, that life is on the line. How would you know it's locked? I just got here.
I know the code.
What's the code? What's the code?
I want to put it in.
Charlotte, just tell me the code.
I'm coming.
I'm already at the door.
So am I.
We need to find the code.
It won't let me put it in. It's 8037. Fine, I'll go quote unquote find it. Stay at the door. And I'll just read out the code. 8037.
Yeah, it changes every time. Nope.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
Nope.
It's the creature. Oh, we're calling him the creature now. That's what
Yep. I quit. Which one? What did we do? Yeah, actually, I did think I was doing that. Nice for the, like, evil villain monologue and stuff, but you know, can we, like, just get this over with? That is not possible! Oh, crap, Charlotte hung up. Nope. No, you won't see me in the afterlife this year. Guys, Charlotte hung up. Ooh, okay, wait. Charlotte, you there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've realized that the plane is falling. Now spam every button in the cockpit. We go away until it loads there first. You take that half, I'll take this half.
Yeah, sure. I found it.
You sure?
Oh, yeah.
No, I did.
Okay, so it was on your side.
Yeah.
Yo. Mr. Sir, are you okay? Why are these
We gotta
masks
go
so
call someone.
ugly? These masks are like
Stay with
so
the captain.
ugly. It has been a crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Wait a second. There's no one flying this plane.
Autopilot, duh. Question, are we still recording?
Yeah.
Wow. All we need to do is find the emergency fund.
Where is the emergency?
I found it.
You found it?
Hello, we need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we'll get you home in no time. Is everybody okay?
No, they're
So we
unconscious.
just forgetting about these people?
Dude!
Yeah, we are.
They're all unconscious!
Autopilot mode is on. Are these guys okay? You okay, Miss and Miss? Are you guys okay? Or are you just very gay?
That's
They've
creepy.
traced our location.
And they're sending police 911 officers to our dispatch right now.
Hey, you can do that, and then you'll see that it's not even a plane, it's a freaking square. Stand right at a window. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot. I call Debs.
No dibs.
I call Debs.
No dibs.
Oh, fuck you. Oh, fuck you.
Zoe! What? Charlotte, what?
I'm not Zoe.
Charlotte, we're recording still.
Better freaking drive this thing, or I'm gonna murderize you.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna fail, like, very badly. But we move. Oh, okay. Charlotte!
That wasn't me. That was not me. Oh no. It is back.
That's me,
Yes,
not
it
you.
is back.
That's me, not you.
What's up, gang?
You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Yeah, okay, so what if I just like last chance potato chip 1292 crash this plane and we will move the underworld for
Refuse.
eternity. But what wait. Should I actually crash the plane? Charlotte, yes or no? Fine. Fine.
No.
No. Dude, he's probably gonna murderize me for that.
Can you only see back his head? Okay, we don't care.
Is dude like the Grim Reaper or something?
Hey, he's gone.
I have a feeling he's the Grim Reaper.
It's gone.
It is the Grim Reaper.
Wait, he said it wasn't the last time you see him.
No, wait, is this like
What
a
does he
dramatic?
mean?
Is this
That's
like a
me.
dramatic introduction for part 3? I mean, part 2. You're about to throw up? We'll go get a vomit bag. Yeah, okay, we won.
Airplane victory!
Well, guys, it was lovely recording, and I hope you guys will check out our channel. Bye.
Goodbye.